Welcome back to Ctube channel. In this video, we're diving into a critical topic that's essential for electrical conduit, understanding electrical conduit marking regulation. This may be different across countries. What exactly is conduit marking? Conduit marking refers to labeling on electrical conduits, which tell us key details like the conduit type, size, material, and important safety ratings. Why is compliance important? It helps prevent costly mistakes and accidents. Properly marked conduits help installers and inspectors identify the right conduit for each environment, minimizing risks. Non-compliance with conduit regulation can lead to penalties. UL listed, CSA certified, and AS/NZS 2053 standard have requirements for conduit marking. We make a detailed example here. In Australia and New Zealand, conduit must display the manufacturer's name or trademark, nominal size, and word electrical for clarity. They should also show their duty rating, ranging from very light duty, medium duty, heavy duty, very heavy duty, along with other relevant details such as halogen-free, HF if applicable, a T for solar protection, and the manufacturer's specific temperature range. For example, 5 to 60 degrees Celsius. Markings must appear at regular intervals on conduits, ideally every 1 meter and no more than every 2 meters. Other countries have closely marking standards but have some differences. Generally, marking on conduits and fittings must be legible and include information, such as the manufacturer's name, trade site, conduit types like Schedule 40, and the manufacture date, and products for specific use, such as underground only. UL certification mark, an important symbol, indicates that conduits has passed rigorous safety tests, and in Canada is CSA mark. Marking are required at intervals of 10 feet along each conduit. Ctube offers a range of PVC conduits and fittings comply with UL listed, CSA certified, AS/NZS 2053 standard. These conduits are fully retardant and UV resistant. That's all we shared today. Thank you for watching. If you want to know more about our products, follow our channel.